another video. To all of my beautiful followers, I thank you guys for sticking with me through this. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, but I've been so busy and swamped with work that I hadn't had the time, but now I finally got a chance. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be doing a TikTok mini haul. So everybody knows, like, before TikTok was supposed to be banned in the US, they were doing like the little click links that, you know, everybody can click on your link and you get TikTok cash rewards. So I had racked up quite a few TikTok cash rewards, and then I had to spend them right before TikTok was banned, only for like less than 24 hours, and then it came back. So today I'm going to be opening those packages. And honestly, it's been so long that I forgot what I ordered, but I do know that one of the packages is not from TikTok. That'll be the last one that I'm opening. But I want to include it in this video because it's something that I want to give back to you guys that I like using when it comes to like health, you know, situations. And I just felt like this particular item helped me a lot when I was dealing with fatigue and, you know, those days when you wake up and you're just not feeling so great and you kind of just low on energy and you feel like you're getting tired and you look tired. So without further ado, we will continue with this video. I'm gonna open the packages from the smallest to biggest. So yeah, let's get started. This is my first package. Now, I think I remember what this is. I bought this specifically because eventually I have an idea with a couple of friends of mine to start our own podcast, because we have very interesting conversations, and I think it'll do some good, you know, to get everybody's, because like my friends, my range of friends, you guys, they are so complex. Like, we all have different personalities but the same interests, so like our conversations be very complex, and I thought it'd just be interesting once we do start the podcast. You know, you need proper speakers, so I got like these little mini speakers that you can hook up to your shirt, and they go on your phone to record up close, and it's like noise cancellation, so you can't hear sounds and stuff in the background of your videos. So I think they'll come in handy. Now, I don't know how many times I'm gonna use them or if I'm gonna even like them, because I mean, I did get these for a bargain, so who's to know how good that they really are. I'm gonna have to probably test them out in another video at a later date so you guys can get the full gist of, ooh, for some reason I thought they'd be smaller. But I'm not mad at it. I mean, shoot, I don't want to lose them at the same time, but they look pretty cool. And you can clip them on your shirt. You know, during the podcast, it'll be very helpful. You just clip this on your shirt and you clip this on a guest shirt, and you guys can have a full conversation and be talking to each other, and you can hear everything that's being said while filming. And I can also use these for my videos, like on my other channel. If you guys follow me on my reality TV channel, See Reality TV, I can use these out in public to, you know, cancel background noise, like when I'm out shopping or when I'm going on trips. I think these will come in handy. So these are probably going to be my new best friend. And yeah, so that's the first unpackaging from TikTok Shop, the wireless lavalier microphone. I'm probably butchering the name, but I hope you guys can see that. I literally got these off TikTok Shop for like $1 after, you know, using the TikTok cash, because I think I still had to pay for shipping. No, I didn't have to pay for shipping either. Shipping was free. I had to pay for taxes. That was the only thing I had to pay for was taxes. So moving on to the next package. These two are really like the same size, but this one's wider, so I'm gonna open this one first. This one, I don't remember what it is, so let me open it. Oh, okay, yeah. I bought one of those little machines to help you get like gunk out of your nose and stuff. Because ever since I was a little kid, you guys, like, I have a pretty big nose. I would say I get it from my father. I do have my father's nose. And I get really like bad blackheads, and I have like pores. So I thought, like, why not? You don't have to really pay for it. It was cheap, so I got one of these little cleaning instruments. So I hope that it'll do me some good. It's got like, let's see, constantly giving you instructions on moving top to bottom. Do not stay in the same place because this can cause redness of skin. So I'm guessing that the machine has really good suction qualities. Malfunction, cleaning instrument, multifunction. See, I'm tired, y'all. I just woke up not too long ago. I had a long day. I always get like super sleepy when it's raining outside, and it's been raining heavy the past couple of days, but especially hard today. So I'm like so tired. But yeah, so multifunctional cleaning instrument. It's a beauty instrument for dermabrasion, compact pore purifier, blackhead, and acne removal, and other functions in one. You can remove dirt from the aging epidermis and pores with natural minerals. More than 100,000 microlight particles accompanies the vacuum sucker. So I'm hoping that this is everything that it turns out to be. Honestly, when I was buying things off of TikTok Shop, I really was just like reading, you know, people's experiences with these things. And this one didn't have like a lot of reviews, but amongst the dozens of machines that I looked at, this one had some reviews that seemed legit. So I'm hoping that it's good. The only negative thing I probably read about it is that some of them tend to have too much suction and it causes bruising on a lot of people's skin. But I would say that I have pretty tough skin. Like, my skin is sensitive and prone to breaking out, but at the same time, it's like tough physically. Like, I don't bruise easily on my nose. So I bruise easily on my face, I guess you would say, given like acne scars, because I do like have acne scars and stuff on my face. But other than that, she's bigger than what I expected. So like with the microphones, they were bigger than what I expected too. But this is what she looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't want to lift her up too high because she might fall out of the plastic. And she comes with all these like vacuum suction heads. It seems like there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. For the smallest sections, the charger plug, and on the back side there's like these little, I guess, acne tools that you can use after you soften up your skin to get blackheads and whiteheads out of your skin. I'm not sure what these are for. I'm guessing they're to put inside of these heads to keep dust and dirt out. But yeah, there she is. So that's unboxing number 2. And again, I will make separate videos for all of these things when I actually use them, so you guys can see how they work. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, on to box number 3. Now, I think I remember what these are too. These were the viral masks that everybody was talking about. Y'all know I'm quick and to the point. I just want to leave my box. I'm not trying to do it cute. But yeah, here's the viral mask that everybody keeps talking about. Now, these were their Sun Moon Editor Deep Collagen Power Boosting Mask that everybody was like going crazy on TikTok about. They're supposed to be the mask that you supposed to sleep with on, I believe, after you wear them for like a certain amount of hours or overnight. All of the collagen in the white mask is supposed to turn clear because it gets absorbed into your skin. And I hope that these actually work, because I do, you know, I know collagen is very important for the skin. So I'm hoping that these turn out to be everything that I think that they are. And when I use them, I will also do a review personally myself to see if these were actually the real ones, because they did say on TikTok that a lot of people were getting scammed with the fake ones. And I do remember that Sunboom, I hope I'm saying that right, was supposed to be like the legit ones, so I'm hoping these are the real ones, and we're gonna try them out later on down the line to see if they're actually any good, and I will let you guys know if there's any change in my skin physically and just by appearance. So that was number 3. I'm getting through these like really, really fast. Number 4, again, I don't remember what this is. It's like every other box I remember and every other box I don't. But this one's padded kind of thick. Let's see. What did I buy? Oh, yeah, okay, so I got a water flosser, you guys. Now, I have a friend that stays in Nashville, right, who told me about this like years ago. He lives and dies by like the water flosser because he has really nice teeth. He loves his teeth. So he told me that the water flosser really gets something done. So I'm hoping that this one is a good brand and that it does what I need it to do, because I know I haven't talked about it yet, but I've had like my dog teeth. Well, I really only have one dog tooth right here in my mouth, and I've had it since I was a teenager. I've never thought about getting it removed. A lot of my family members was like, it makes your face, it builds character, you should keep it. But now I'm older, and I will say that even though it's very minute, it is starting to cause me problems as an adult, and I want to go ahead and get it removed and get braces. So I bought the water flosser so that we can have some clean, straight, pearly whites going into 2026. So I hope this is more than I expected it to be. This is also very big. It's bigger than I thought it would be. I can't even get it out of the box, you guys. I hope I'm not breaking anything. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so it comes with the different heads as well. You guys can see that. That I guess you can replace on this. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. And I do remember, because I got the white one. I wanted the black one, but they were like sold out, because like everything in my house is black. I don't really have anything white in my house unless it already came with the apartment, you know, like white doors and stuff. And all my furniture and stuff is black, but this is pretty thick. But I think, yeah, you're supposed to fill it up with water on the back side here, and then you put the extension head and kind of just, you know, clean your teeth. So if you guys don't do anything else, invest in yourself. Invest in a water flosser, okay? Might do you some good. I've seen a lot of people come up with one, using these things, and they have pretty nice teeth. You know, everybody's getting like veneers and stuff now, but I never wanted to be one of those type of people. I always want to keep my natural teeth. I like my teeth, even though they're small, but I mean, I could live with that. I don't ever want to be the type of person to feel like I need to get veneers unless I have to, which I feel like a lot of people get veneers and they don't have to. Like, just get some braces and you can keep your teeth. But a lot of people, I think, are very set on wanting their teeth to be perfect right away. And a lot of people don't want to go through like having to wear braces for 6 months to a year. So, but I don't feel like my teeth are that bad. So, I mean, honestly, not everybody's teeth are supposed to look exactly the same. That's the way that God created us. And again, I will never get veneers unless I absolutely have to do it. But I don't really just see that being in my future, but okay. But yeah, she comes with the charger cord, so she's rechargeable. You guys, look up the Oral Find Your Beauty water flosser. So it says that she comes with 3 different cleaning modes. She's a type C, easy to install, capacity 200 milliliters of water, waterproof design, and got long battery life. So this is what she looks like, in case you guys want to look that up. Yeah. Moving on. Okay, so that was all of my TikTok shop stuff, right, you guys? Okay, so I got the speakers, the black hair removal, the sunbeam collagen mask, and the tooth water flosser thing. Now, this one I did not get from TikTok Shop. It's something that I used to use a couple of years back, but I was going through a hard time and I couldn't afford to keep buying this until just recently I was able to save up the money to get another one. But you guys, I love this stuff. This is not sponsored. I actually drink this every day. This is the Spoiled Child. Now, if y'all guys never heard of Spoiled Child, when they first came out, they used to just have the liquid collagen and a few other products, but now I believe that they're expanding into hair care products, so they sell hair care stuff now too, because I do believe, you know, the hair care is a very popular thing with folks now these days. So Spoiled Child, make your money. But I got the liquid collagen. I used to get the mango one all of the time, but they recently just came out with this flavor. This is what the bottle looks like. It is a liquid collagen. This is the pineapple flavor. Now, I like pineapple, so I got this flavor. So they sent me 2 bottles, and I didn't even actually have to pay for this one, but they do take the $110 out of your bank account until you get the product. They ship it to you, and they give you like a 30 or 60 free day trial. If you don't like it, you can send it back and get like a full refund or whatever. Or say that you didn't like it before the free trial is over with, and then they give you a refund. So, but I'm not gonna get this refund yet. I'm gonna keep it. I got 1 bottle in the refrigerator because you do have to refrigerate this after you open it. So this is the Daily Extra Strength Liquid Collagen Pineapple flavor. Now, when you get on the website, they do make you take like this little survey to see what needs that you need, what needs you have for specific things. So when I took my test, I said that I wanted to focus on getting shine in my hair. My hair is very thirsty, so I want to focus on hydration. I feel like my skin sometimes lags, you know. As we get older, you lose collagen in your skin. I didn't want to deal with, you know, early signs of aging when it comes to like crow's feet or sagging skin. You want to keep the elasticity in your skin, have like bounce back, because I am 31 years old. So, you know, this is probably like the perfect age to start taking care of your skin and stuff. So if you're looking for something like that, you get this stuff, okay? And this is just one of the many things that I do to try to take care of my skin. So it's for your hair, your skin, and your nails. So go on the website, take the review quiz, and, you know, try it out for yourself and see if you like it. I mean, I like it, so, I mean, but that's just me. What works for me might not work for you. So that is everything, you guys, and I appreciate you watching. And I will put another clip in of all of this stuff together at the very end. So if you want to screenshot it or think about looking up these products yourself, all the other things I got off TikTok Shop, you can check it out for yourself. And I will see you guys next time. And thank you guys for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.